Gold scale new heights at 1958, and I asked you to buy at 1930 yesterday. I hope you all profited. Likewise, silver too has been seen trading at 2430. The first resistance level failed to achieve the last week's high at 2460, but yes, still traded bullish. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Let's start. First gold followed with silver here. Also, press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the next analysis which will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. So do like, share, subscribe and comment friends. Let's start here, and if you look at the hourly chart, see after forming the crater it has given a breakout, and see the breakout was a very strong one and it has achieved fresh highs at 1958 levels. Now see it is again trying to consolidate here. Now the resistance levels previously at 1950 is now going to be the next support level here, and probably once it tries to breach below 1950. Now remember this fact, see it has scaled new highs and hence the sell entries are below 1930 and 1920 zone. This zone once it breaks then only it should be considered as bearish, else you can see very clearly here it is trying to still trade bullish, and probably even if it tries to drop 1930 is going to be the strongest support, and then only and only if it breaches below 1920 it should be considered bearish. Yes, on the weekly charts it's slightly overbought, however it is not giving any signs of a retracement here. So till 1920 levels, previously I told you 1900, now it is the next step is 1920 and 1930 zone, which is going to be the strongest support. Now look at the direction movement. This is divergent and bullish. The stochastic was overbought and hence here it has seen a little drop. The MACD is still bullish here. It is trying to converge a bit. RSI is overbought on the hourly charts. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to form this bullish channel here. Support levels at 1930, and probably it can retrace a little, however still not to be bearish. Yes, you can sell here at 1950. Expect 1947, 1944. These are two very strong support, and then 1940. Below 1940, moderate bearish risk can be seen there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, and it appears the highs are done, the candles are trying to converge from here. RSI overbought here too. Now look at 3-hour charts. Now see on the 3-hour charts, two couple of retracement candles here, and once it breaks past 1961, it will again bring more bullishness. So fresh highs, if it breaks past 1961, certainly we can expect another round of bullish move which might take it till towards 1970 and 1980 levels also. Now 1975, sorry, 1970 and 1975. 1975 is now going to be the next support levels, next resistance level for gold here, which was my long-term target. I had told you in my annual review for gold very early in the beginning of January that gold is willing to scale till towards 2000. So it is on the right path right now. So probably once it breaks past 1960 again, you can expect good bullish move here. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish here too. And if you look at the RSI, this is near to the top or near to the high levels here. Now look at the daily charts or 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts to see gold now trading outside the Bollinger Bands here. That is first part. Higher highs are seen here. Two big bullish candles are seen. Now achieving higher highs, it is trying to retrace a little. However, it's still not bearish. As I said, it has formed a base now at 1920, 1930 zone, and probably till the time it sails above this should not be considered as bearish. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. See, it is still keeping an opening mouth, or it is still to be considered divergent, which means there is further bullishness which is there. RSI is near to the high levels, near to the overbought levels. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, previous two candles, higher highs, higher lows are seen. Now if you connect the dots here, the highs here now at 1970 levels, and beyond that 1975, the first resistance, very strong resistance at 1975 exists. Now remember one fact, see, it has given a breakout yesterday and this is the first bullish candle. In all probability it might try to give you second bullish candle also. Remember, in all probabilities it can try to give you second bullish candle, and hence once it trades above 1961, stay long, and then we can expect 1970 levels, which is the 1970 and 1975 at least we might see if it trades above 1961 levels. So this is the first part to it. Next, even if it tries to breach below 1950, see 1947, 44 and 40, till 1940 it has got very strong support. Then if it tries to breach below 1940, then only we can expect that there could be little more bearishness, and then you can expect the target to be at 1935, 30 levels. 30 is going to be the stronger support and 20 the strongest support here. Yesterday also I told you that 20 is the first very strong support, only below which it can be considered bearish. Direction movement is bullish here. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is near to overbought levels. Considering this, yes, you can sell at 1950 levels. However, it is not to be considered bearish, and hence you have to trade with the trailing stop loss on the downside. Yes, you can sell at 1950, first target at 1947, next 1944, very nearby below that 1950, 40. Now, once it breaks 1940, there could be accelerated bearishness which might take it further down for 1935, 30, which is the strongest support. Till then, you have to trade with caution. You have to trade with trailing stop loss and keep booking the profits. Little profits are better than a loss or no profits, and hence keep booking the profits, keep re-entering. On the upside, above 1960, same 1975 is the next target which might get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th mentorship batch starts on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Book your seats now so that you can trade profitably, you can trade proficiently with right tools, techniques and strategies which you can apply to any commodity, currency, forex, crypto, indices and metals, anything, be it anything, you can apply those techniques and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now silver once again has been seen getting the resistance at 2430, which is also, since last few weeks you have seen it has given a good resistance, because beyond that 2350, 2360 levels will be seen. So 2330 definitely, 2430 definitely a very strong resistance for silver. Now also look at hourly charts for silver. You can find out, see, it was getting resistance at 2380 levels, which we saw yesterday, and also on the downside 2340 has given a very strong support. So this was the zone in which it was trading, 2340, 2380. It has given a breakout, a scaled new heights, not new heights but 2430, which was also a good resistance level. Now look at this here on the hourly chart. See, now the support here at 2410 and $24 levels is going to be very strong. This is clear here. If you look at the hourly charts, lower highs are seen. There could be a probability of a little retracement. And now see, if you just connect the dots here, you will find till 2410 levels, probably you should not try to sell silver, but below that also till 24 and 2395. Do not sell silver. Only bearishness is seen if it drops below 2395, and then you can expect 2380, which was the resistance level earlier, is now going to be the support level for silver, and below 2380 only little bearishness can be expected. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic was overbought, looking forward to a little drop. The MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI overbought here. And if you look at 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, yes, it has given a crater. It has consolidated in this zone, broke out about 2380, nice strong bullish move here. Now 2430 is the level beyond which certainly one can stay long, 2460, and then 2500 levels can be expected. And in fact, I have a target for $26 for silver. I think probably once it breaks out convincingly, we can expect it to achieve. So once it breaks out convincingly about 2460, certainly it will give you good bullish move. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish here, but it appears it is seen the high, see the delta of the candles is reducing and possibly convergence can be expected. RSI near to overbought levels. At the same time on the 2-hour charts, look at this, it is still in this bullish channel and hence probably 24.10 is the first support, then $24 levels, and below 23.95 only we can expect that there is little bearishness. Look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts here, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. First part, second, see the candle size is still increasing here, but remember it is trying to create steps here. So once it trades beyond 24.30, certainly one has to stay long, and yes, do not consider this as bearish till the time it trades about 23.95 and 23.80 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, divergent, RSI trading near to the highs there. Now look at 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts too, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. It is trading with bullishness here. You should wait for the next candle, and once it drops below 23.95 levels, certainly you can sell there and expect it to trade bearish till the time. I will not recommend you to sell silver. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards here. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts. See, this is the long-term trend line which is respected by silver so far. You can see it beautifully. It is the long-term trend line which is respected by silver so far here. It is not willing to break past this, and once it breaks past 2450, 2460 zone, certainly that should be considered a convincing breakout, and then it can try to continuously trade bullish from there. Now also look at the daily chart. The fresh candle is seen trading in green, and it is already scaled to new highs here. Previous two candles were with longer tails indicating downward upward push from there, and see now in fact this time if it continues to trade bullish, we can see a bigger candle which might in fact take it till towards 2450 and 2460 and 2500 levels also. Now see, a breakout here in silver is going to be stronger. Remember, it has been trading in this zone. A breakout either on the upside or downside is going to be stronger. I am looking forward to an upward breakout. Let's see when it does give this. Directional movement so far on the daily charts is bearish. Stochastic looking up. MACD is trying to converge crossover for the bullish move. RSI looking up. So considering this, yes, above 24.30 you can stay long, and below 24.10 you can expect a little drop. However, 24.05, see, I am not though recommending you to sell, but yes, if you want to book little profits and if you want to risk a little, sell at 24.10, expect 24.05, $24 and 23.95. 5 cents, yes, there is support, can't help it. Yes, it might bounce back any point of time, and only if it trades below 23.95, expect it to drop for 23.80, 23.60 levels. Else I will be still looking for a bullish breakout. You can buy here at 24.30, expect 24.60, 24.80 and $25 levels today itself. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.